A very cool fan that was sent to me by OMyTea.
Hello!
I've got a little helper here.
So this is a fan. It's huge, see? And we have another fan. That's gonna be this fan. We're going to put it like this.
I want to show them some differences with that fan and monster fan here. Okay. Super cool. Its material is not paper. This is actually kind of a fabric-y material, so it has good wind resistance and it doesn't break easily. These are nice and thick. These are individual pieces of bamboo, beautifully painted, held together with this screw here. What did you want to say about the back?
So on the back, I think this is wood.
I think so, and it's nice and thick. They are bendable, but you can tell they're very strong. Really cool design. This would be very fun at a music festival or a concert. And I think it might double as an umbrella. What do you think?
Or a peacock tail.
Oh, it's actually brilliant. Hope that was helpful.
Bye-bye.